Hi, crystal lovers. I want to share with you my favorite and the final step of how to clear and purify your space. So at this point, you have saged your space, you have said a prayer, you've played some bells or some music to elevate and bring the energy of the room up. This is the final step because what you're going to do is you're going to grid your room with white light. So all you need at this point is a piece of selenite. And it doesn't matter what shape or size the selenite is, but the most important thing is to place a piece of selenite in each of the four corners of the room. Then all you're going to do is you're going to have one selenite in your hand and you're going to beam light, visualize yourself beaming light, connecting all of the selenite together. So you're going to grid the room with light. And all you do is you start at one, and you just visualize yourself beaming light, connecting to the next one, connecting to the next one, connecting to the next one, and then bringing it into a full square. So you've connected the room with white light. And the very final step is when you stand there with yourself in the middle, and you have white light and you're beaming out and you're connecting to the four corners of the room, and you see yourself and you see your space filled with light and love and happiness and abundance. And you bring that energy into your environment and you seal it, and it feels so good. Because for me, the greatest compliment you could have is when someone comes over and they say, I don't know what it is, but I just love the way your space feels. It just feels so good and so comfortable. This is a powerful technique to raise the energy of any room with light.